Industrial vibrating multi-level sieve for use in production facilities. Adjustable number of levels from 2 to 6. Diameter of the screen is 400 mm. Weight of the equipment is 95 kilograms. Vibrating sieve can be used for elimination of impurities and removal of lumps from dry particles of food powders. The separators meet the requirements of JMPI and FD standards. The materials used meet strict technical requirements of food and pharmaceutical industry. Experience of similar equipment with the following materials: cornstarch, potato starch, wheat flour, milk powder, sweetener, sugar, spices, coloring agent, nuts, breadcrumbs, chocolate powder, cocoa, coconut, coffee, egg powder, table salt, seasonings, algae, yeast, flakes. It is also possible to remove impurities, contaminants, foreign substances from liquid, viscous material. For example, can be used to separate extracted vegetable oil from its residual fibers and other foreign impurities for cleaning. Experience with the following materials: liquid chocolate, honey, extracted vegetable oil, palm oil, olive oil, cheese, fruit juices.
Hello, my name is RomanTsibulsky. I'm the founder and the owner of the pharmaceutical equipment catalog Minipress.ru. For the last 17 years, I've been making sure that our clients make the right choice, get everything delivered on time, and have no problems with customs clearance. Every year, I participate in pharmaceutical equipment expositions worldwide in order to pick new, better quality models to include in my catalog. In my catalog, you can find tablet press machines, blister packaging machines, coating machines, packaging and production equipment, a wide range of laboratory machines, as well as compact desktop units to start your pharmaceutical business. In any case, if you don't come across what you are looking for, just let me know, and I'll help you find the best options. I provide my clients not only with information about equipment, but also about different technologies. I'm really good at that, as I have a great deal of my own and my clients' experience here. In my catalog, you'll find different types of equipment from China, India, Taiwan, Korea, and Europe. My team will assist you in choosing the right model, purchasing it, getting it delivered, and customs clearing of any equipment to Russia. You can contact me every day, either by telephone, Skype, or email. I'm here to help you choose any pharmaceutical equipment, making use of all my experience and knowledge. I'll be happy to see you among my clients.